right. Tracy Repchuk here, and a common question I get is how do I create a group and then promote it? So it's very simple. You go into your back office, you will go to the Me tab, you will click on that, and you will go down to Beehive Groups. Then you will see, possibly, depending on how far you are, you'll see under here I have my groups. So these are groups that I've created or I'm a host of. And then over here you'll see other groups that you are a member of. All right. So you will go under the My Groups tab and you will click Create Group. All right. And I'm not going to go through this process, but I'll show you the fields. So let's say you create group and it will come up with this, okay? What you will do there is you're gonna call it your name. You will give it a description. You can load up a graphic element just so people have something. You will see here that you are the host. You will put an announcement. Always start with something, okay? Even if it's, hey, welcome to my group. I look forward to getting to know you better. Let me know what you would like to know more about, okay? And then you'll see here the Add Member button, okay? So I'll click on this, and you can only add who is following you, okay? So in my case, I've added already a whole pile of people, and so you can only add who's following you. So that means if nobody's there, you might want to go to the connection generator and start to bring people closer to you, right? So it's a process. And then you can invite them into your group. Okay, so that's the first part. Now, the key part here is this link, okay? So let's say you have a Facebook page, a LinkedIn page, email, and you want to start to invite people to your BeeKonnected group because that's really what you want to be doing. This is the whole strategy that I'm doing right now. So you'll grab that link, you'll just click copy, and then it gives you the link. Now, I can tell you this is too long, okay? It's going to get lost, cut, something's going to happen to it. We're working on making that a prettier link. But in the meantime, here's what I suggest you do. Go to a tool called bit.ly.com, okay? So you just go to your bar and you type bit.ly.com, okay? And it brings up this. Then you will, it's like free to join. Just create your own little account. You'll notice here mine says free account, nothing fancy. Then you click here on create, and then you will paste your long URL in here, okay? And now you'll notice here it's put BK Reach Millions. It's because I already have one established. But what it will do actually here is it will give you, I'll call it gobbledygook. It'll be 2XYZ, blah, blah, something you will never remember. So I recommend you go here and you change it to something you will remember, and then you click save. And then you will notice here, it gives you your new link. So I'm going to click copy on that. I'm just going to go to a new tab. I'm going to paste it. And then you'll see what it does is when somebody is already logged into BeeKonnected, it will take them to my group. All right. And so in essence, you know, this is what it'll do. When you're inviting a new member from scratch, it will take them to the login page. So they have to create a membership within BeeKonnected, which is free to do first. So when you're giving instructions about how to create a group, that is something you want to mention. You'll say step 1, click here. Step 2, register to fill out to set up your own account on the platform. Step 3, it'll take you to the group. And if it doesn't, look for the group called blah under the me/beehive groups. Okay, you might have to give some instructions. But other than that, you are good to go. Groups are how you're going to easily be able to attract outsiders into the platform then of course they sign up under you with a free account, and yay, then we'll start to work them while you continue to do what you do, which is talk, educate, promote your own business within your group, and we will be doing the work for you in the back end. It is a fantastic option that has been activated here. I want you to use it like a crazy. Once people start to chat, you will then go to the group chat. You'll see when you come in that there are a number there on how many chats that are part and parcel of what you need to go and look at. And you'll notice all the chats are here from all the groups. And so that's why that number might seem quite large. Then you'll go to your group, you'll click on it, and you'll find out what is being said or what you need to address. All right, have a great time and happy gathering.